Igneous rocks. So we've got two key questions being answered here. Oops, go back up here. Sorry. How do geologists classify igneous rocks, and how are igneous rocks used? So those are our key questions. So let's look at this My Planet diary. It says, Arctic diamonds. If you're looking for diamonds, where would you start? Maybe in a helicopter flying over the Arctic Circle? In the 1980s, a pair of geologists used a helicopter to search for diamonds in Canada. The pair knew that diamonds form more than 100 kilometers under the Earth's surface. They also knew that after diamonds form, powerful eruptions of magma can thrust the diamonds to the surface through volcanic pipes. As magma cools and hardens, the diamonds are trapped inside volcanic rock. The geologists found a source of diamonds after searching for several years. Now, diamond mines in Canada produce one of the world's most valuable crops of diamonds. Pretty cool. All right, let's go down here. How do geologists classify igneous rocks? Look at figure 1. All the rocks shown in the figure are igneous rocks. But do all these rocks look the same? No, because even though all igneous rocks form from magma or lava, igneous rocks can look vastly different from each other. Igneous rocks are classified by their origin, texture, and mineral composition. So where's figure 1 at? Okay, there's figure 1. So you have the different types of igneous rocks. Pegmatite, we'll actually look at that in class, and rhyolite. Origin. Igneous rocks may form on or beneath Earth's surface. Extrusive rock is igneous rock formed from lava that erupted onto the Earth's surface. Basalt is the most common extrusive rock. Igneous rock that formed when magma hardened beneath the surface of Earth is called intrusive rock. The most abundant type of intrusive rock is continental crust, is granite. Granite forms tens of kilometers below Earth's surface and over hundreds of thousands of years or longer. So the main two types of igneous rocks: extrusive rock, that's igneous rock that formed from lava that erupted onto the Earth's surface, and intrusive, think inside, that formed inside Earth's surface through the cooling of magma. Texture. Different igneous rocks may have similar mineral compositions and yet have different textures. The texture of an igneous rock depends on the size and shape of the mineral crystals. The only exception to this rule are different types of volcanic glass, igneous rock that lacks a crystal structure. Rapidly cooling lava that forms fine-grained igneous rock with small crystals or no crystals at all. Slowly cooling magma forms coarse-grained rocks, such as granite, with large crystals. So intrusive and extrusive rocks usually have different textures. For example, intrusive rocks have large grains than extrusive rocks. Extrusive rocks have a fine grain or glassy texture. Again, intrusive and extrusive rocks usually have different textures. Intrusive rocks have a large grain. Extrusive rocks have a fine grain or glassy texture. Figure 1 shows the textures of different igneous rocks. So rhyolite is a type of rock that has a fine grain rock. Porphyry has large crystals that you can clearly see, and so does, or pegmatite is a very coarse grained intrusive igneous rock. So you can see the different crystals. Okay, we're going to skip the apply it. Mineral composition. Recall that silica content of magma and lava can vary. Lava that is low in silica usually forms dark-colored rocks such as basalt. Basalt contains feldspar as well as certain dark-colored minerals, but does not contain quartz. Magma that is high in silica usually forms light-colored rocks such as granite. Granite's mineral composition determines its color, which can be light gray, red, or pink. Granite that is rich in reddish feldspar is speckled pink, but granite rich in hornblende and dark mica is light gray with a with dark specks. Quartz crystals in granite add light gray or smoky specks. How are igneous rocks used? Many igneous rocks are hard, dense, and durable. People throughout history have used igneous rocks for tools and building materials. Granite has a long history of use as a building material. More than 3,500 years ago, the ancient Egyptians used granite to build statues. About 600 years ago, the Incas of Peru built fortresses out of great blocks of granite and other igneous rock. You can see part of their fortress in Figure 2. In the United States, during the 1800s and the early 1900s, granite was widely used to build bridges and public buildings. Today, thin, polished sheets of granite are used in curbstones and floors. Other igneous rocks, basalt, can be used for cobblestones. It can also be crushed and used as a material in landscaping and in roads. Igneous rocks such as pumice and obsidian also have important uses. The rough surface of pumice forms when gas bubbles are trapped in fast cooling lava, leaving specks or spaces in the rock. The rough surface makes pumice a good abrasive for cleaning and polishing. Ancient Native Americans used obsidian to make sharp tools for cutting and scraping. Obsidian cools very quickly without forming crystals, so it has a smooth, shiny texture like glass. Perlite, formed by the rapid cooling of magma or lava, is often mixed with soil and used for starting vegetable seeds. Pretty cool. Okay, that is the end of the reading. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day.